of furnishers of information to consumer reporting agencies. So when people ask, are you able to use the FCRA against the furnishers, whether that be a debt collector or a financial institution, this is the section that that they have to abide by when it comes to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, right? So 15 USC 1681 S2, responsibilities of furnishers of information to consumer reporting agencies. Okay, reporting information with actual knowledge of errors. A person shall not furnish any information relating to a consumer to any consumer reporting agency if the person knows or has reasonable cause to believe that the information is inaccurate. And why would they have reasonable cause to believe that the information is accurate, right? From you. We're the only people, or the only persons rather, that can verify and validate a debt, really, if you really want to get technical, right? Only you, 9 times out of 10, because everything is done electronically, were there when the transaction took place. So you know if you made the transaction or not. That's up for the burden of proof is on them, right? So if I'm telling you that something in my report is inaccurate, you should have reasonable cause to believe that the information is inaccurate. Or if you know, how would you know? Because I brought it to your attention. Hey, well, Capital One says, when I asked them about the debt, they tell me that the original balance that I owed them was $576. You're saying that it's $578. The debt collector is saying that it's $578. So if I bring this to your attention, you're now knowingly reporting false and inaccurate information. So you have actual knowledge of errors, but you're still reporting to begin with. So this is where they will be in violation. Reporting information after notice and confirmation of errors. A person shall not furnish information relating to a consumer to any consumer reporting agency if the person has been notified by the consumer at the address specified by the person for such notices that specific information is inaccurate and the information is in fact inaccurate. Okay, so depending on the type of account that it is, it could be a collections account, a charge-off account. You may be trying to remove late payments, repossessions, whatever the case may be. There's just a few different things that you have to ask for and steps that you have to do for each of those. If you are having trouble with a repossession, late payment, collections, charge-offs, whatever the case may be, bankruptcy, evictions, whatever the case may be, you can click the link in the description and get the $50 DIY credit repair option. I made it super seamless and super easy for you to fill in your information and start getting deletions today. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.